All right, here we are at 181 North Phelps Avenue here in Winter Park, Florida, 32789. This home is currently on the market for $1.350. It is a 4-bed, 4-bath, 3,000 square foot home that also includes a garage conversion. 2017 electrical and plumbing were updated. The roof is unfortunately a 2005, so that could be coming to question for insurance. You can see there are some areas on the roof that have had repairs over time, but that is definitely up for getting fixed. Nice circle driveway over here. Again, lots of brand new construction, as you can see across the street. Ideal location here in Winter Park. Very close to everything here in the 32789 area code. Again, we'll walk in. Nice little traditional front porch. We've got wood siding, tongue and groove ceilings. Walk in here to the home. First thing that hits you, these really nice high ceilings. You do have some modern style furniture throughout. Obviously, as we all know, furniture, paint, and flooring are all changeable and fixable. So we're gonna start here to the left where your first 3 bedrooms are. So we're gonna go down this way first. Nice large bathroom. Bedroom number 2, they obviously have set up as an office right now with a little day bed, if you will, over here. And you can see they've got custom closets all set up on this side as well. As we walk forward into bedroom number 2 on this side. You've got a standing shower right here as they have set up. This is a wood piece of furniture, obviously, in here that's starting to get wood damage. But freestanding shower, no curtain. I think you're gonna have a little bit of a problem as it comes to water right here and splashing off. So definitely some updating still to go. But a lot of potential here. Got a little linen closet to the right. And again, massive living room, massive living space, 2 bay windows that go out. You've got these nice skylights that come in from the windows up top. This, I believe, was your original master bedroom as you come this way. Sliders going out to the beautiful pool. You come in here. This remains pretty not original, obviously, to the build date. The home is 1948, so this has obviously been updated, but original to some of the other updates that we've seen here in the home. My favorite way to call this is the dentist office glass. That's every time I see it, that's exactly what I think of. As you come in here, low bridge, just hit my head on that, but and again, another door going out to the porch. Back through what I believe is the original master. Again, can't get over how large this room is. Really nice as you walk into it. Flip back over here, just so you can see just the sheer size of it. And so kitchen entry, both doors right here, wood burning fireplace. We'll come over to this side. Kitchen opens up right here. Gas underline of the home. Nice larger island on this side. Kind of jets out this way. Probably not going to put a table here because you do have 2 doors heading to the exterior as well. So this is where you really start to see some updates and modernization to the house as well. So this is obviously a very large interior laundry. Nice wash sink for pups, laundry, soaking, everything like that. Plenty of storage. They're obviously using this as a pantry, but you do have pantry space out there as well. Just plenty of storage everywhere you look, especially over here. Head back, so to the right, you've got the garage. This is all wallpaper, as you see. They do have a mini split in here. So on the listing, it's listed as 3,000 square foot. They are including this garage space in it. Head back out this way into the master. Again, when we were outside touring the property, you could see that there was a definite delineation in this side of the building. So this is why I truly believe this was an addition here on the home. Very nice, large, open master bedroom. Come in here to a very modern layout and kitchen. Master bathroom. Not a shower. This is actually your toilet room. Behind the glass door. And then you have your double sinks. Little towel rod right there. And again, good storage. Flip around this way to your master bath. And again, stepping all the way in, you got this nice area in here. Mirror. You got your one shower head as well as the handheld. And then all of your custom cabinetry that lays out behind this. Head back out the master, past the garage and the laundry room. Come back out to the kitchen, living room's to our left. We head over this way to the exterior. Again, plenty of entertaining space. What's really cool about this, nice high ceilings. You've got obviously a place for an exterior TV sound bar. All new decking has been installed that goes out to this amazing pool. A lot of leaves going on in here. But again, no one's living, I don't assume someone's living here, but a lot of leaves. You've got lights in the pool, a bunch of water nozzles for the water fountains that go throughout here. So I bet this looks absolutely fantastic once it's fully running. Flip over this way, you've got more deck. That goes to the bathroom in the original master. That's right here. And then what's really nice, a nice large side yard. You've got your pool heater, you've got your equipment, everything that's on this side. It is 0.33 of an acre, so it is a large lot of land. And then you've got this nice covered space for entertaining, hanging out by the pool, grilling, doing all of the amazing things. Not a built-in, this slid in, obviously, as you can see right here. And something you don't see very often is you've got a microwave. Again, just a massive pool, really cool. I love how they left the trees and everything together with it. Back here, you've also got a home office that they have built. Obviously, they're using it as a home office, but you can use it as whatever you want. This is the new edition of the master. And again, just really cool to keep all these trees together. And you head back here into the office. It's definitely, obviously, you can see a little bit of water damage. I believe that's below here that would need to get taken care of and looked at. Just something to keep in mind. But good space.